The Kalinago territory in Dominica is exploring a zero waste initiative. It's aimed at proving that proper management of solid waste in the interior can reduce marine pollution.
In small island developing states, landfill space is premium. We do not have the land that allows us for having landfill. So our concept is to reduce as much as we can from the generation point of view.
The OECS Commission, through a project called REMLIT, which stands for Building Resilience in the Eastern Caribbean through a Reduction in Marine Litter, commissioned a situational analysis of the solid waste problem in the Kalinago territory.
This study is one such initiative to begin a holistic process of looking at solid waste management on land, looking at the whatever inefficiencies that are existing within the system.
Bernard Nation of Enviro Plus Inc. was the lead consultant for the study, which noted first the absence of waste separation at the household level.
What you will see from the project is basically a separation of waste from the source. So we'd have a bin for your general waste, then we'd have another bin for recycling.
And so one of the recommendations were to look at a composting facility to actually streamline this waste into some beneficial soil development product.
That will help us reduce on the organic component that is basically coming into the landfill.
Then there was a garbage collection issue. Only main roads were being serviced.
We thought that if that particular issue could be addressed in terms of bringing the service closer to these people, then we can increase the total coverage of the service.
Waste material left curbside was scattered by stray dogs, and some of that litter, especially plastics, made its way through watercourses into the rivers that flow through the Kalinago territory. The study also noted the health and environmental impacts of what is called white goods.
And that is made up of some part construction waste and especially heavy appliances, old fridges, stoves, washers, and so forth. These collect water and become breeding grounds for mosquitoes, homes for rodents, and so forth. So it's an issue that really needs attention.
The Kalinago territory is well placed to achieve zero waste. The community has had a track record of success in environmental protection thanks to the commitment and resourcefulness of its residents.
What you do have in the Kalinago territory is a very strong community spirit that, once you secure buy-in to a project like this, you are going to get, a maximum effort from the community. And in any pilot situation, you want that kind of synergies within the project areas.
Using the REMLIT-funded Kalinago Zero Waste Project as a model, the Dominica Solid Waste Management Corporation is planning to roll out zero waste projects throughout the Nature Isle. REMLIT will also fund the rollout of similar zero waste initiatives in other OECS member states.